This is the pay log. So we love the pay log document, and we can go into more, I think it's got everything on there. All right. So the pay log is going to go through and it's going to actually start to count your money. So we've got the actual document. I think it's in there. You should be in your chat. So I love this document because it's actually going through and it's keeping track of all those closings. So on a monthly basis, and you guys, I know there's like, it feels like a ton of different documents to fill out. I know my assistant does most of my documents. I'm usually sending screenshots to her and she's throwing that stuff in there. But being able to go through and do the tabs and being able to see what your volume is and how much you actually made is really important. So this pay log document, this is going to feed into down the road when we show you the profit and loss so that you know if you are profitable. It's going to go through and we're going to talk about how you've got your closing date, that client information. So year over year, so now you've got, exactly, who's closed, what you made on their transaction, what their sale price was when you closed it, where that business source came from, all the information. So everything that you're closing every month, you're going to do your gross commission, your net commission, your sales price, where that lead came from, the sources information so that you've got everything. And at the bottom of this document, so this is just a snippet of the document, but on the bottom of the document, actually, Christy, will you go to the next page? So this is the bottom of the document. I love this because as it's going through, it's showing you projections of what your year's doing. So if you're tracking and you're saying, okay, it's July and I've got all my closings in there and I've got all my commissions and my cost and my commission rate and everything's all in there, it's going to go back and it's going to project for you what your net year-end income is going to be. It shows your commissions. It shows you your average loan size. It shows you all your expenses. This is fantastic. So this is going to go right in that pay log. So as you're putting in your closings, your commissions, it's going to come back and month over month, it's going to keep track of it. So this is an aggregate number. Every month as you add in there, it's going to add in all your next closings so that you can see your profitability. It's great to be able to keep track of this. Once you know the numbers, most people don't track their numbers. They have no idea. At the end of the year, they go to their accountant. They're like, yeah, I got to go back in and go look at, canceled checks and debit cards and try to find receipts. Once you start actually knowing where the numbers are, the commissions, you've got everything straightforward. It's right there in front of you.